Hi friends, Eric Quezada here. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. For today we are going to be unboxing. My Hindash palette just came in and I'm so freaking excited. I've been watching Hindash like a lot for like, I don't know, maybe like 1 or 2 years. And when I saw he was coming out with something, I was like, I'm kind of excited. And then when it dropped, I was like, I'm even more excited because that palette thing he dropped was so dope. Ugh, this whole box is so beautiful. Okay. Throw all that out. Okay. So here's the palette that came out. Oh my god. Okay, so for those of you that have not seen, this is the palette. It's like a pressed pigment palette. Ooh, oh my god, it feels like a little fancy book thing. So this is a thing. Oh god. Okay. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. So Hindash designed this palette to be used like on the eyes, on the face, everything. So it's kind of like multi-purpose. And it came with this little card thing, and it says the palette's called Beautopsy. It's a 6-pan, 12-shade pressed pigment gradient face and eyeshadow palette with a 24 color payoff. That means you could do like 24 different kinds of colors on there. And then it says how to use. Create the ultimate look by swirling your brush along the gradients of the pan to customize your perfect shade. Sweep along eyes, cheeks, brows, highlights, and contours of the face. You are the artist of your masterpiece. So cute. And then, so right here it lists the shades like from the top. So like, oh my god, it's kind of like, so it's like magnetic, but I've never seen a palette so magnetic that this one's like tough to open. Like if you ever carry this with you. Okay, so right here, let me show you guys while I describe the shades. I'm kind of scared to like bend this back, but okay. So starting from the top, we have tan and lines, soft tan brown that blends into pure white. We have the next one is wet paint beige that blends into banana yellow. Boy Wonder, which is a peach that blends into bubblegum pink. Feel that blends with Feel and Real that is a neutral brown that blends to a true concrete gray. Loving Kills, Fiery Orange that blends into hot red. Intra and Fathom, which is a chocolate brown that blends into pitch black. So there's that way you guys can see. Oh, you know what I actually like to do? I forgot that I do this. So I will actually record on my phone just because I like the resolution better on my phone. So let me show you everything. Let me show you the box. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so this is the box it came in. It says Hindash on the side. Let's check out the back. Okay, those are the ingredients. I like to list the ingredients because sometimes they change them, so I like to have this film. There's that, and that's kind of it. Nothing else. And then, so it came with this little card, the one that says Hindash, and then it says all the little information on there. And right here it's just describing it all. And then here we got a mirror. And then, so these are the shades. So it goes from the brown to white, beige to yellow. I feel like it's easier to see the farther. Peach to pink, brown to gray, orange to red, brown to black. I don't know. I don't even know how to swatch these, you know? Like, these are stunning. Let me
show you. Ooh. So this is what the thing looks like. It's like a kind of cardboard, but it's like a really good like texture. It's made in Italy. It's a Beautopsy. Cool. I'm excited for more.
But yeah, guys. So those are the shades and everything really up close because I really like to show it. And I just wanted to show my excitement because I'm so mad. It said it was going to get delivered today. Hey, it said it was going to get delivered today. So I was like super pumped, right? And then I checked the tracking and it was like, oh, unable to deliver. Will deliver probably tomorrow. So I was like, okay, I'll just get ready today. And lo and behold, literally the moment that I finish my makeup, this palette gets here. I finished absolutely everything. I don't even want to I don't know what to do. So this is just a video showing my excitement, talking about it because I love it. And I'm going to be using this a lot. And I just wanted to say that this reminds me a lot of this previous palette that I got. I got this one, the Viseart Grande Pro X1, which is like their newer version. But it like gives me the same vibe as this. Like, hold on, let me hold them right next to each other. And what's interesting is that they're both like pro palettes. So this one very much feels like this, but like mushed together. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I feel like most of the shades in here you can make with this, but this one's almost like a couple hundred, or no, it is 100 and something, and this one's only 70. How many grams come in here? Let's see. It doesn't say on here, but I'm sure you can check on the website. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be doing many looks using this new Hindash thing. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. He's done so many cool looks on like his Instagram and stuff. But yeah. So if you want to see more Hindash content, subscribe because it's a makeup party here. So. Yeah, guys, if you want to see me on Instagram, it's ERICNERD, and on TikTok, it's ERICQUEZADA8. That's it. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye-bye.